The trunc function in C rounds a number down closer to 0. Trunc is in the math.h header file. Let's hash include math.h. We will also want to print our answer, so hash include stdio.h. Trunc returns a double, so our answer will be double ants equals trunc of 3.99. Next, we'll print our answer. Printf, double quotes, %f for doubles, \n, then printf ants. If we run this code, you'll see 3 as it rounded it down to 3. If we change ants to negative 3.99, then run that code, you'll see negative 3 as that is closer to 0 than negative 4. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.